We start off in the second half. April Toledo gets a free kick and sails one over the goalie's reach to get her second goal of the match and put the Dolphins up 2-0 against the Islanders. It was a somewhat rough match with the Islanders struggling to keep pace and set up an offense. The third goal comes from Colleen Naden. After she receives the throw in, Naden finds some room and gets through the Islander defense, and she fires the ball when she gets the chance to find the back of the net and put the Dolphins up 3-0 and the final goal of the match. The Dolphins improve to 3-0-1 while the Islanders drop to 0-4.
We played good. We started off as a team, and we kept communicating on the field, like what coach told us to just keep communicating and play our best on the field, and finish with a goal.
April came in again and scored the second goal. I got subbed in because I was injured in the first half, and I wanted to get out there and help out my team and contribute.